Welcome back. This is going to be our unit for solving systems of equations. In our very first lesson here, we're going to talk about how many solutions a system has. All right. So a system can have one of three solutions. It can either have a no solution, or one solution, or it can have infinite solutions. All right. And so we're going to talk about what does a no solution look like, what does a one solution look like, what does an infinite solution look like. All right. So the first one I want to start off with is this number one here, these two lines that are right here. Okay. So if you take a look at these two lines are not intersecting. That means they're not crossing. I also, if I take a closer look, I also see that these lines keep the same distance throughout on the graph. I see how this point is 3 below this one's 3 below this one, and continues, follows that pattern. So what that's telling me is these two lines have the same slope. They have a different y-intercept, but they have the same slope. And because they have the same slope and they do not cross, all right, this is going to mean this is going to be a no solution. So we're going to have no solution anytime that we have two lines that don't ever look like they're going to cross, okay? Or another way to think about that is those two lines are parallel to one another, okay? Let's look at number two. Number two, you see here that we have two lines that cross at a point, okay? When we have two lines that cross at a point, at one particular point, we're going to identify that as a one solution. So again, we're going to have one solution anytime that we have two lines that cross and meet, all right? And then the last one we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about infinite solutions. What happens in an infinite solution, you end up with two lines that kind of overlap one another. So you can see here there's a blue line and a pink line, but the pink line is overlapping the blue line. As a result, these two lines not only have the same slope, they also have the same y-intercept, and as a result, we would classify these as infinite solutions. Because what that means is it means there are multiple solutions where these two lines meet. One solution just means, hey, there's going to be one answer, and we'll get into that next video about what that one answer is. In a no solution, that means, hey, these two lines will never ever meet because they're parallel, and there is no coordinate point that you can use as an answer. All right? So why don't you go ahead and try your practice. It's going to look like this. Once you get done with your practice, why don't you check back with the next video and check it.